Hydrographic surveying is the science of measurement and description of underwater features which affect maritime navigation, marine construction, dredging, offshore oil exploration and drilling, and other related activities. A strong emphasis is placed on soundings, shorelines, tides, currents, seabed, and submerged obstructions. Surveyors have numerous tools that can be used to accomplish this task, from multibeam echo sounders, topobathymetric lidar, side-scanning sonar, and even drones. Dewberry uses the hydrone for mapping streams, rivers, lakes, and even drainage basins. The main draw of this technology is the safety that it invokes. Our crew members stay landside while the drone is navigated safely from shore. It does have limitations. Shallow water of 2 feet or less is obtained through cadastral surveying methods and results blended with the hydrone survey. No matter what tool is used to conduct the hydrographic survey, after the data is collected, it undergoes post-processing. A massive amount of data is collected during the typical hydrographic survey, often several soundings per square foot. Depending on the final use intended for the data, for example, navigation charts, a DTM terrain, volume calculations for dredging, topography, or even bathymetry, the data must be thinned out and corrected for errors, the effect of tides, waves, heave, and water level. In the end, you're left with an accurate product that represents the bottom of the water body. With over half of the world's population living within 60 miles of its shores, the need for accurate hydrographic surveys will continue to play an integral role in many lives for time to come.